Good afternoon from beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico. You see the fort out in the distance there, where we plan on heading today. No shore excursion plan, so just plan on going around, checking out the local area, do some shopping, and get back on the boat before it gets dark and before we get left.
They do a pretty good job right here to the back. This one you see here now, you go to the residential area, it's all tore up still, bro.
Sangria, sangria. Alright, so here we're just taking the walkway up to the top of the port to get some pretty good views. The water's right behind the wall, right in front of us here. Get some little aerial shots as far as down at the bottom. I mean, it's a really, really, really nice port. Oh, look at that. And then we got to make it to that. Yeah. Why not, dear? Man, these are some really, really small bunks. You know, I've been to a lot of military training and military installations, but I don't think that I would be comfortable in those at all. This is just a very nice view looking back towards the ship's airport. And another great look there. I could be up there forever. And how awesome must it be to be an Army aviator and to be able to fly over the coast of Puerto Rico? I mean, that must be a horrible, horrible job. No, not really. I mean, you get to fly almost every day in that type of scenery. Always flying. Definitely sorry for having the menu sideways. There's no way really for me to rotate it, but they did have some pretty good stuff for tonight, which is actually our anniversary night and dinner as well. So, of course, I got my normal appetizer of the shrimp cocktail and the Caesar, and my brother-in-law and sister-in-law actually ordered champagne for the table for our anniversary, so I definitely appreciate Antonio and Kim for that. And the waitstaff was so gracious of bringing us a diabetic coma on a plate and some yummy strawberries. Stay tuned for other videos and appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.